Hi guys, my name is Dana, and I just wanted to give you some quick insight on farmers insurance. We do have four dominant values that we try to follow and we base our jobs off of. The two main ones that I want to mention are customer centricity and integrity. Customer centricity is our one of our top ones because we are a customer focused company. Integrity is another one. Our definition of integrity is doing the right thing when no one is looking. And this kind of does wrap up into customer centricity. We show our customers that they are our top priority, even when they're not aware of it. The behavioral norms, I would say, are we are very dedicated to customer service. For example, when I come in the morning, my first priority is checking the voicemails that I have from any customers and then returning them. We're very respectful towards people, and this really stems from our respect towards our customers. It does extend into our internal customers, like our coworkers and our management. We have year-end reviews every year, and basically we sum up and reflect on our progression throughout the year. And this is based on our four core values, customer centricity and integrity, as I previously discussed. We also have two more, and those are teamwork and excellence. In our quarterly trainings, this is where we have them four times a year, and this is where we really brush up on those four core values and make sure that we are demonstrating them as much as necessary. The new employees that start, they have 4 weeks of training in my department, and then the last week or week and a half, they are brought up to the floor and given some really in-depth hands-on training with a mentor. They are always accepted. My department shows the utmost respect and they really provide a lot of help and feedback for the new hires. Each one is guided by a mentor. Whenever they start the hands-on training up on the floor, a mentor is selected for each new hire. But regardless of who their mentors are, we are always a team and we do reach out and help whenever it's needed. We are a team-oriented environment, and this really does have a positive influence on how the process flows. Regardless of any individual task that someone is working on, if someone reaches out for help or they're a little behind, each person in my department is more than willing to assist them in whatever they may need help with. Um, Another thing that we practice that really does influence in a positive way is inclusion. We always like to make each employee feel like they're part of a group, regardless of what the situation is. And that really just boosts everyone's attitude towards the company and towards each person within the company. So the effectiveness of how the process flows is really influenced by teamwork. There are several things that I could not do on my own without my teammates, whether it's them giving me some insight or maybe describing something in a way that I did not really understand myself. The application of knowledge, we learn every single day. There are new situations and new things that arise every single day. And also, our continuous trainings that we have, they really do have an impact on our knowledge base. And we continuously, heed the advice that is given in these trainings and we try to apply them in any given situation. That's really all that I have today. So thanks for listening, guys.